Hi everyone, good day. By the way, I am Marjoy D. Medico, a grade 11 student from Malayan Colleges, Mindanao. So for today's video, I am going to discuss the operation of functions. I hope that after of this, you will get lessons about it. So first that I will be going to discuss is what are the operations and functions, and afterwards I will give you some examples on it. Operations and functions are the functions that overlapping domains which can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided. If f of x and g of x are two functions, then for all x in the domain of both functions, the sum, difference, product, and the quotients are defined as follows. Quantity f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Second, quantity f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Third, quantity of fg of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Fourth, quantity f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. So to deeply understand this, I will give you some examples. This time, I am focusing for addition and subtraction. The first example is addition. Let f of x is equal to 4x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 8. Find quantity f plus g of x. So quantity f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So we put the f of x here, which is the 4x plus 2, and copy the symbol of addition, and the g of x, which is the x squared minus 8, and then we distribute this sign to this number, and then after that we combine it like terms. So the answer is x squared plus 4x minus 6. So the second example is subtraction. Let f of x is equal to 4x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 8. Find quantity f minus g of x. So quantity f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So copy the f of x here, which is the 4x plus 2, and copy the symbol of subtraction, and then copy the g of x, which is the x squared minus 8, and then we distribute this sign to these numbers. So negative times x squared is equal to negative x squared, and then the negative sign times negative 8 is equal to positive 8. So after that, we combine it like terms. So the answer is negative x squared plus 4x plus 10. Okay? Okay, we know now how to solve the subtraction and addition on operations and functions, right? So for now, for this slide, I am focusing naman for the multiplication, and I put two examples here for you to understand it well. So the first example is let f of x equal to 4x plus 2 and g of x equal to x squared minus 8. Find quantity f g of x. So quantity f g of x equal to f of x times g of x. So we put the f of x here, which is the 4x plus 2, and pwede na natin hindi ilagay ang symbol ng multiplication since the parentheses symbolize as the multiplication. So g of x we put here, so x squared minus 8, and after that we combine it, we distribute it one by one. So 4x times x squared is equal to 4x cubed. 4x times negative 8 is equal to negative 32x. Positive 2 times x squared is equal to positive 2x squared. And 2 times negative 8 is equal to negative 8. So after this, we combine it like them. Since this problem has no kapareho, we arrange it na lang. So 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 32x minus 16 is the answer. So Second example is let f of x equal to 8x plus 2 and g of x equal to negative 7 minus 12. Find quantity f g of x. So quantity f g of x equal to fx times g of x. We put the f of x here and the g of x here, and after that we distribute it one by one. So the answer is negative 56x squared minus 96x minus 14x minus 24. So after that, we simply combine it like terms. So the answer is negative 56x squared minus 110x minus 24. Okay? So we are here in the last slide, which is the last example on operations on functions, the division. And this time I will give you 3 examples. So the first example is let f of x equal to 4x plus 2 and g of x equal to x squared minus 8. Find quantity f over g of x. So quantity f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. So our denominator is f of x, which is 4x plus 2, and our denominator is g of x, which is x squared minus 8. So after this, we factor each. So since the denominator has no factor and the numerator has, so this is the answer. 2 quantity 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 8. So this is the final answer. So the second example is let f of x equal to 8x plus 2 and g of x equal to negative 7x minus 12. Find quantity over g of x. So quantity f over g of x equal to f of x minus g of x is equal to 8x plus 2 over negative 7x minus 12. So we factor each for us to get the answer. So the factor is negative. In the numerator, 2 quantity of 4x plus 1 over 7x plus 12. So let us check this answer para malaman natin kung tama talaga yung sagot natin. So 2 times 4x equal to 8x, correct? Good. 2 times plus 1 is 2. That's good. So correct. So here in the denominator naman, so negative sign times negative 7x equal to negative 7x. It's okay, correct. So negative sign is equal times to negative 12 is equal to negative 12. So our answer is absolutely correct. So let us move for the last example. So let f of x equal to 3x cubed plus 2 and g of x equal to negative x plus 5. Find quantity f over g of x. So quantity f over g of x equal to f of x over g of x, which is 3x cubed plus 2 over negative x plus 5, and we factor each. So the factor is negative in the numerator has no factor, so still it is 3x cubed plus 2, and the denominator is x minus 5. So let us check this factor in the denominator. So negative sign times x equal to negative x, which is correct, and negative sign times negative 5 is equal to positive 5, and that's also correct. So guys, thank you for watching, but wait, I have reminders for you that it is important to study the operations and function because they are related and connected in real-life application. I hope you learned something today. God bless. Bye-bye.